Now in this video we are going to take up one more problem on development of lateral surfaces of solids. How to solve this problem by using the SolidEdge software. The problem reads as a pentagonal pyramid 30 mm sides with a side of base perpendicular to VP. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the retained portion of the pyramid shown by the dark lines in the following figure. So this is the figure what he has given. So to that we need to write the solution by using the SolidEdge software. He says one of the sides is perpendicular to VP. So that means the side is perpendicular to the XY line in the top. So to do that, first I will go for the SolidEdge screen, and you have a default screen of A2 size sheet, and now I need to change this sheet to A4. So to do that, first I will go for the sheet 1 at the lower left corner and right click on the mouse button, click on sheet setup, and you go to the background sheet and you change that background sheet to A4 and say show background. I don't want to show the background, and say OK. So the sheet will going to shrink from A2 to A4. Now I need to fit the display to A4. Why I have to select A4? Because I need to take the printout in A4 during the examination. So now I need to write the text. So before actually writing the text, first I will go for sketching. Make sure that endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical are enabled, that is in the IntelliSketch, and all other options you make it disabled. Then you go to the text, and for writing the question you will going to take the text height as 4, and this will going to be the Times New Roman, and the font size is 4, and press enter key. And now you can see, click for the position of the text string. So for that I will place it wherever I want, and then you start writing the text. A pentagonal pyramid, a pentagonal pyramid 30 mm sides of base, with the side of base perpendicular to VP, with a side of base perpendicular to VP. Draw the development of the lateral surface. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the retained portion of the pyramid, shown by the dark lines in the following figure. So this is the problem. So now I will just go to move command, select this entire text box and place it wherever you want. Now then go to zoom window, select this and bring it near to the screen. Now I want to create a pentagonal pyramid, so go to line. So click on the line width, make it 0.05. So I will take some arbitrary point, take 30, angle is 0, then 30, angle is 72, then 30, angle is 144, then 30, angle is 216, then take 30, angle is 288. Now I need to find the center. So to do that, I will enable midpoint. So go to line, take end point of this to the midpoint of this line. So from a corner opposite to that corner is the edge which I am talking about, the midpoint. Okay. Then disable midpoint, then go to trim corner between these two. Then you go to line command, draw a line from here to here and then to here. Okay, sorry. Line from end point of this to the end point of this to the end point of this. Now you go to group command, select this entire thing as a group and right click. Then you go to select this group and make this as 0.5. Now you go to rotate command, disable copy, select this, take this horizontal position to make it vertical, because one of the base edges is perpendicular to VP. So now you go to move command, select this and bring it here. Now you go to line command, draw one horizontal line of any length, and then the height is given here, which is 60 mm. So to do that, go to offset, take the distance as 60, select this line and right click and then enter. Go to click on the first button of the mouse on the left button, right click, then you go to line command, draw a line from end point till here, then you take this end point till to the front view, then you take this end point till here, then you take this end point till here. Now you go to trim, so trim this line, this and this. Now you go for a line command, draw a line from end point of this to the end point of this to end point of this. Similarly, you take end point of this to end point of this. Once you do that, now I need to consider from the base it is 30. Then you just go to select, remove this line. Then you go to offset, take the distance as 30. So on the axis line, you have the center. From there you have a line of 60 degrees. So to do that, I will go for a line command, take the intersection point of this, and I will take 50 mm, angle is 60. Okay. Then you have a trim command to trim this portion. Then you trim this portion. Then go to trim corner between this line and this line. Now we have the initial position drawn for both front and top view. Now you go to split this line till here. Okay. Then split this line till here. Okay. Then split this line till here. Now you go to select, by holding the shift key you select this line, this and this and this line, make that line to be of 0.5. This is the dark portion retained. Then go to split this line till here, then go to select this line and make that line as the axis line, and go to line command, draw a horizontal line, that is the XY line, what I am trying to do now. So from here you take it on this side and you go to select this XY line and make that line to be of 0.13. Now I need to give the names for this. So go to text. So here type the text for writing the letters is only for 3. I will take A, B, C, D, E, then here it is O, and then it is O1 in bracket. Now you go to move command, select this A, then you take B, then you take C, then you take D, then you take E, then you have O1, then you have O. Now in the first instance, in the second instance you have to write the front view now. So here this is O dash, and here this is O1 dash in bracket. So here it is A dash, then you have B dash, then you have C dash, then you have D dash in bracket, then you have E dash in bracket, then you have capital X, then you have capital Y, then you have capital VB, then you have HB. Now you go to the front view now. So go to zoom window. Okay, then go to move, select O dash, then you have X, VP, HP, A dash, you have E dash, O1 dash, B dash, D dash, C dash, 1. Now you go for dimensioning styles, select ISO, modify, general, take everything black because I am taking the printout in black and white. Come to Times New Roman, then take the font size as 3, go to lines and coordinates, make this as 0.1 and say OK and upload. Now you go to distance between this line and this line. So you take by horizontal or vertical, take this dimension as 60, and again from here to here it will be 30. Now I want to know what is the dimension of this, so go to distance between, select this line and this line. So go to distance between, select this line and this line. So by 2 points, so you will go to get it as 65.2. So this is the actual one which you have to get, 65.2. You have 65.2, the same thing what I have here. Then you go to angle between, select this line and this line. So you have 60 degrees. You take that. Okay, then come down to fit. So come down to zoom window. Here you give the distance between this line to this. You're going to get 30. Yes. So now you go to move command, select this. Sorry. Okay, now everything is given in the dimensions. Now do I need to find out the true length? No. Why? Because here all the base is parallel to HP, so the entire pentagon is in true length. So here OA, OB, OC, OD and OE are the slant edges. Since OC is parallel to VP, so O dash C dash is in true length. So, but OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to OE. So obviously this O dash C dash will be, O dash C dash will be the true length for all the slant edges of OA, OB, OC, OD and OE. So therefore, we need not have to find the true length. So now you go to line command, draw one horizontal line. Now I am doing the development part of it. Now you go to circle, okay, by center point, take this as the circle, radius, go to tab, go to radius, type 65.2, okay. Then here what I need to take 30 mm. So here I will go for arc by center point, take the intersection point of this, radius is 30, this sweep angle is 10 degrees. So you click it on this, okay. Then go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen. Again you go to arc by center point, take the intersection point of this, radius is 30, take if you want 15, yes, right click. Again you go to radius 30, so take the, click for the center point, take the radius is 30, sweep angle is 15 degrees. You click it, third point, again you take the intersection, the radius is 30, take 15 degrees, so you click it on this, 1, 2, 3, 4, again you take the intersection point, the radius is 30, angle is 15 degrees, sweep angle. So this is how you will be able to get this. Now you go to trim this portion and this portion. Now you go to line command, draw a line from end point of this to end point of this to intersection point of this to intersection point of this to end point of this to intersection point of this to intersection to end. Okay, now I need to fill these two, end of this to end. So similarly from end point of this to end point of this, then end point of this to end point of this. Now what I have done is I have drawn the development without considering the section plane. Now I need to name them. So to do that, I will go for text. Here I will type caps lock on, type O, caps lock on, type O. Here it is A, B, C, D, E, E. Now we go to move command, move this and place it wherever you want. That is nearby to that point we will going to place it. D, E, then A. Once you do that, now I need to take the true length. So here, which is the true length? First I need to consider the section points. Here we have, there is none of the section plane is passing through the base, so you need not have to worry about from the base. So it is only passing through the slant edges. So first one is OA, then OB, OC, OD, OE and OA. So in the same order. So the section plane is passing through O dash A dash, so I will consider that point as 1 dash. Then the section plane is meeting on the axis, so these two axes will go, these 2 points will going to meet. Where the section point meets, it will going to become 2 dash. Then the section plane is passing through O dash B dash, so you make that it as 3 dash. Then the section plane is passing through C dash, O dash C dash, 4 dash. Then you have 5 dash in bracket, that is because O dash D dash. Then after 2 dash, you will going to have one more. In the two section plane meets, it will going to get one more point. Then you will going to get this as O dash on E dash. So this will going to be 7 dash. So here, if I extend this, so the section plane will going to be on this side is on 2. So here go to text. So here this will going to be 2 and this will going to be 6. Okay. Now you go to fit, come down to zoom window, then go to move, select this 2 and you keep it here, and select this 6 and you keep it here. Similarly, you come down to this. Now you go to move command, move it appropriately. So you take 1 dash, then you take 7 dash. Similarly, you take 2 dash, and this will go to be 6 dash. Okay. Then you have 3 dash, then you have 4 dash, then you have 5 dash now. Now the sectional plane is passing through this, so we need to consider a line from end of this to take this till here and go to trim. Okay, you got this till here. Then you have one more, that is from here to here, because this is not in true length. So I make it to find the true length of this, but this is already in true length, so you are going to get that point directly here. Now you go to distance between end of this to end of this. So you're going to get 32.6. Then you take end point of this to end point of this, which will be 26.56. Okay, these two are required. Then of course you have one more. So you go to select, you drag this, not it. Okay, then again you take distance between end point of this to end point of this, which is 18.77. Now we have all these three. Okay, now I need to transfer this. So the first case we will consider this also. Go to distance between, take end point of this to end point of this, you are going to get 21.7. Similarly from E to 6 you take Okay, then you're going to get 21.71. So you go to fit, then go to zoom window. The first point is on OA, which will going to be 32.6. So you go to circle, take endpoint. What is the radius you want? 32.6. So you go to tab, type 32.6. Okay. So this 6 is on, so I will go to split this circle till here, then you split this circle till here. Okay. Then you want 1 and 7. 7 is on E. So you go to split on this side and then you split on this side. Okay. Then it is on A, split on this side, then you split on this side. So go to select this and you remove it. Okay. Okay. Okay, now then so you remove obviously this initial position 32 point, but of course you need to have 2 and 6. For 2 and 6 from A towards B you can see 21.71. So you go to this, from A towards B, circle arc by center point, take A, 21.71. Okay, sweep angle is 10 degrees. So it is on EB, not on the arc, it should be on the edge. So you got this point. So then similarly go to fit, E towards A, E towards D, E towards D. Okay, again from here you go to arc by center point, take end point, radius is 21.71. Enter, sweep angle is 15 degrees, E towards D. Now you go to line command, draw a line from intersection to the end point, that is I am generating the edge there, so you take these two. Okay, so once you do that, now I need to draw the radius here. So to do that, 32.6, go to circle, take end point, take the radius as 32.6. Okay, then you go to split this circle till here, go to split this circle till here, then 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 go to select this and remove it. Okay, and you select this. So you got the points. Once you do that, so now you go to fit, so you remove these two, it's not required. Similarly, I don't want this. Okay, the first one is over. So which are all the points which I have considered now? I will name them now. So you go to text, type 1, then I am taking this 2, then I am taking this 6. Okay, then I have 7, then I have 1. Okay, all these points are transferred. Next I want 26.56, which is 3 and 5. So go to circle, take the end point. So radius is 26.56. So which is on B and D. So you go to split. So you take this circle, split it here, then you split this till here, then on this side and also on this side. So go to select this and you delete it. Select this and you delete it. Select this. So here now we have the text which is 3 and 5. Okay, so 3 and 5. Okay, next split it. Now again you go to fit, remove this. So now we have 18.77. So go to move, go to arc. You have only one arc which is radius 18.77. Sweep angle is 15 degree. You take that and you keep it here. So this will going to be 4. So you delete this. Then you bring this nearer to this. Okay, once you do that. So this is the actual development. So once you transfer. So now what I need to do is I have to name them here. So I will go to this text and I will make them into 4. Now you go to zoom window. Okay. Now I want to move all these things. So go to move, take 1. Here it is 7. Here it is 6. Here it is 5. Then it is 4. Then it is 3. Then it is 2. Here it is 1. So go to line, take the intersection to this 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 intersection. So once you do that, now I need to split them. So to do that, I will go for a split option, select this, split till here, select this, you split this till here, 6 you don't want, split this till here, 5, split this till here, split this till here, then you split this till here, okay. Then again go to select, join the numbers with a dark line, select these points. Okay, make it 0.5. Okay, then go to fit, then come down to zoom window, then you go to select these slant edge lines, okay, and make that to be 0.5. Okay, then again you go to select these 5 base and make all these things to be of 0.5. Okay, then you go to text, write this as a development. Okay, now you go to distance between, select these two, make this as 30, and then you go to select these two and make this as 65. So this is the actual development of the pentagonal pyramid, which is drawn by using the SolidEdge software. Okay. Now this is the one which you will going to get. The same thing what you can see here. The thing what we have done here. The same thing is being written here also. But of course, the sum of the dimensions which I have shown, it is not required here basically because I have shown everything here during the video. So once you know that, you show the dimensions which are all the one which is required during the development. Otherwise the dimensions will be going to become more clumsy. So the main thing what we have to understand here is this is the true length line. What the true length line you want, which is 65.2, that you should be considered properly. If this and this matches, then your drawing is correct. So this is how you will be able to write the solution for this above problem by considering from the SolidEdge software. Thank you.